Okay, we're out at Mullet Creek Park. Got a request from the city of Safety Harbor to look at a project where you'll see over here in this area an ear tree had fallen over, and they had to bring in some tractors to remove the tree. It was very large, took up most of that space. So they came down through here and brought the debris up to this wall so they could reach over the wall with the grapple truck and get rid of it. You can see some tire marks, but basically they're concerned with the remaining trees and having the soil compacted so the roots can't grow very well. We're going to come through and just check the soil, see how bad it is, and then especially over here where the tree landed and the John Deere was doing sort of donuts in this spot, we'll try to really decompact the soil and make sure that there's appropriate pore space for the remaining trees to succeed and not get too stressed out from the equipment running back and forth over here. All right, so I've got my soil probe here. It's hard to do with the camera on because it's really got to put constant pressure, but we're using our small needle, which would be this inside measurement bar here, and we're just going to put pressure on around the around the 12 to 18 inch depth. And you see when I put pressure on it, we're getting up to close to the red line, which is very compacted soil. Pull this out, you'll see it's in little notches every 3 inches, and we went down to between 12 and 18 inches for that reading. This is right on top of where one of the tire marks was, so I picked this spot on purpose because I figured it would be high soil compaction. The reason we checked the 12 to 18 inch range is because that's where tree roots generally thrive in Florida, and so we want to do a little work to try to make that more appropriate for oxygen and water for the tree roots. So we know we have a problem now. We've tested it and determined that the soil compaction is a little worse than we would like for the retained trees here. So next thing to do is to suit up and start working.